Hi, I'm Katie with WTI, and with 2 cats and a dog, pet hair is a real problem in our house. That's why I got this ChomChom roller. It's an easy, effective way of getting pet hair off of things like couches, stairs, carpets, rugs, and everyone in the family can use it. I like how it goes back and forth because this creates friction and static, really helping the pet hair cling to this red kind of velvety surface. And then as you move it back and forth, it actually pushes the pet hair into this chamber, which is on this side. There's a button right here, you push it and you can open up the chamber and get all of the pet hair out. So this spot right behind me on the couch is my one cat's favorite spot to lay in the sun. I have been neglecting getting the hair out of it because I wanted to show you just how great this is at getting the hair out. Different of a color because the cat hair that was in it. So this one small area, now I'm gonna open up the back and you'll see all this little super fine cat hair that it got out of it. Some of the bigger pieces are from the dog. So gross, kitty. I love how effective and easy to use this is. It takes up very little space. I can use it, my kids can use it, my husband can use it, everyone can use it, and it just works great. And that's my point of view.